Now I feel like it's a bit.
No. I mean, if I'm Foo Fighters, I'm nervous.
I was all in on the popcorn and the fundraising. That woman that was mad, and then I heard that neighborhood song, and right,
come on, vocal up, vocal up.
Okay, I'm going to just conference him in.
Scott.
Oh. Hello. All right, I'm going to keep him on.
Hi, folks.
Oh, he's back.
Hey, you there? Damn it. Oh. Hello. Oh, I sounded like Grace right there.
He's dreaming about Grace.
Oh, listen to that. That was a good one. Hello. All right. Well, now I'm backed up.
Maybe it's
but
fake.
I don't want to let
Maybe it's
go.
fake. No, it's way too consistent with like
I
the
trust
weird.
Diane on this. I feel
weird-
like this is most of Diane's evenings. All right, let me do this. I have to take a break. Sorry. I'm gonna leave him potted up though.
No, we don't want to. Let's. It's a break to preserve this.
Yes. Yeah, that's fine. I'm done with scouts.
There might have been an important.
Okay, Kaylee, ask these people to hold. I got backed up by the Foo Fighters. Ask these people to hold then. And then this guy got me all backed up. All right, if you're on hold, don't go anywhere.
This sounds like a phone tap. Yeah.
Hey, what you doing at the courthouse? All right, let me do this. Jesus, Tyler. God damn it. All right, if you're on hold, please just give me one quick break. I will grab you next.
No.
I promise.
Elliot in the morning. Washington, D.C. weather.
Clouds, then sun, and 85.
This report is brought to you by Zillow. Zillow searches millions of homes for sale or rent to discover the one that's right for you. From modern apartments in the city to historic homes in the suburbs. You're not just looking for a house. You're looking for a place for your life to happen. Zillow, find your way home.
Don't miss Diagnosing tomorrow at 8 p.m. Eastern, 7 p.m. Central. On Telemundo.
Aggressive driving on DC streets puts you, other drivers, pedestrians, and bicyclists at risk. Hi, I'm Chief Peter Newsham of the Metropolitan Police Department, and this summer, DC police are doing enhanced enforcement of aggressive driving. To stay safe on our roads, drivers need to embrace speed limits, stop for pedestrians, and give bicyclists a safe 3-foot space when passing. We're asking all drivers to embrace DC road rules. We don't really like giving tickets, but we do it to save lives.
Fios is now cable. We're a 100% fiber optic network, and we believe everyone deserves a faster, more powerful internet. With the Fios Gigabit connection, you get amazing download speeds, up to 940 megs, so you can do more of the things you love, like binge watching game clones on multiple devices, while your son hosts a massive gaming tournament, and your daughter live streams yet another 4K video of herself singing, all at the same time. And the price is pretty amazing too. It's $79.99 a month. Get Fios Gigabit connection with TV, phone, plus HBO for 1 year, and multi-room DVR service for 2 years, all for $79.99 a month online for the first year with a 2-year agreement. And switching to Fios has never been easier. Get out of your contract with up to a $500 credit to help cover your early termination fee. Go to fiosgigabit.com or call 1-888-GET-FIOS to learn more. For ETF bill credit offer, you must provide documentation to maintain Verizon service for 90 days. Gigabit network connections are required. Availability and speeds vary. For new customers only, $84.99 a month in year 2. Taxes, RSN, FTVA, $12 a month set-top box. Early termination and other equipment charges, fees, and terms apply. HBO subscription required. See offer details.
There are 24 hours in a day. Tempur-Pedic beds help you get the most out of every one of them. One-of-a-kind clothing material precisely conforms to your body, minimizes motion transfer from your partner, and delivers pressure relieving power so you'll sleep deeply and wake up feeling powerful. Now through September 17th, save $500 instantly on select Tempur-Pedic adjustable mattress sets. Go to Tempur-Pedic.com today to find your exclusive DC retailer. Tempur-Pedic sleep is power.
Hi, you've reached the high fashion hotline. Hi, Labor Day's the end of summer, but I'm not ready for my summer style to end. It doesn't have to. At Old Navy, you can still get amazing dresses and tees. Old Navy? Yep, summer's ending, but saving on Old Navy style is just beginning at our pre-Labor Day sale. Starting tomorrow, get 30% off all jeans, 40% off all dresses, and 50% off all tees for the whole family. All jeans, dresses, and tees on sale? Yep, at 30, 40, or 50% off at Old Navy. I'm ready for that. High fashion. Old Navy. Valid 8/24/8/30 in stores only. Excludes active licensed men's package at clearance.
Don't miss Premios Tu Mundo with your favorite stars. The music that moves you and many surprises. The competition's going to be fierce. Premios Tu Mundo tomorrow at 8 p.m. Eastern, 7 p.m. Central. Only on Telemundo.
You've got the best phone, the Samsung Galaxy, and why wouldn't you want top-notch service to match that smartphone greatness? Well, now you can get it, and you have it waiting for you at the new Samsung Galaxy Studio at Union Station. Mike Jones here at the Samsung Galaxy Studio. Samsung's phone wizards are there to help you with any questions and issues you might have. And if you don't have a Samsung Galaxy, stopping by the studio at Union Station can show you exactly what you're missing. I'm telling you, you go there, the next thing you know, you'll be saying, why don't I have the Samsung Galaxy in my life yet?
Wake up, brush teeth, shower, get dressed, walk the dog, feed the kids, pack the lunches, forget the lunches, go back inside for the lunches, head out the door, go back for keys, lock the door, start the car, and sit in traffic. Mornings can be hectic. Let us take care of breakfast for you. Stop by and try the new hash brown scrambled from Chick-fil-A. A hearty mix of sliced nuggets, crispy hash browns, and scrambled eggs, topped with cheese and a side of salsa, and served in a burrito or a bowl. It's made fresh every morning and available until 10:30 a.m.
Hey, good morning. We'll head over to the George Washington Parkway northbound after Spout Run Parkway. Broken down vehicle in the right lane, and then that has you slow northbound on the GW Parkway, beginning right at the 14th Street Bridge. So very slow heading north on the Parkway. Southbound, you're going to be slow from 123 down to the Key Bridge. On the way there, though. On 270, look for delays from 85 to the truck scales, and then continuing down from Father Henry Boulevard most of the way down to the lane divide, but incident-free. And that's your traffic. Up to the minute.
This report is brought to you by Hum by Verizon.
This summer, you've got places to be. Stranded on the side of the road isn't one of them. With vehicle diagnostics, emergency assistance, and more, Hum by Verizon is the technology that connects you to your car. Learn more at hum.com.
Elliot in the morning.
Between that last snort, I thought he woke up for a second.
Happened a couple of times.
Hello? No, right back out. And can we stop with that? We need to perform a welfare check.
Some people in the social media lounge.
I don't think that we need a welfare check. The guy is asleep.
Yeah.
That was very Craigish. Yeah, you know, if that's a landline, we should do I send people to your house every night when you're asleep for a welfare check? Good one. Thank you. Oh, get it, Craig. All right, now let me get back into it. Where am I going? Line 7. Hi, Elliot in the morning. Hello?
Hi, this is Laura.
Yeah, Laura, you got to speak up a little bit. There's a guy making noise in the background.
Yeah, he sure is. So I am in my 30s now, but when I was a teenager, I was a Boy Scout.
Were you really?
Yeah, there's a division of scouting from 21 that's co-ed.
Wait, at what age? Sorry, I couldn't. There we go. What part of it is co-ed?
It used to be called Explorer Scouting, but now I think it's called Venture or something. But
is that completely separated and different from like Girl and Boy Scouts?
Not exactly, but it's different than becoming an Eagle Scout or something because you're in it for a specific purpose. Like you could be in it to learn basic firefighting skills. Like you choose a different thing to focus on.
So when you would go to meetings though, would you go to Boy Scout meetings?
Well, the one I was in was a community band, so we would have rehearsals, but perform as scouts.
All right, so it wasn't traditional Boy Scouts though.
It's not, but it's a division of the Boy Scouts, and it's run by the Boy Scout Association.
I got you.
And you can get awards the way you can get the Eagle Scout, but they're called the Gold Award, which is what the highest Girl Scout award is called.
I gotcha. You're not an EMT or anything, are you?
No, I'm a teacher.
Have you started back yet?
Yeah, we started on Monday, but the kids don't come till next week.
Oh, so you're doing like getting your room ready and like in-service days and stuff like that?
Yeah.
All right, well, get ready for them. Here they come.
Oh, yes.
All right,
I can feel it.
Very good. Thank you, ma'am. I appreciate it. Hey, Kaylee, if we can find an EMT, I'll take that. Line 5. Well, because now everybody's up my ass
He's
about
sleeping.
You better call. What if there's an emergency? What if he's just asleep?
But remember, like when it's happened a couple times. Did it happen to Kelly Ripa's husband, where a viewer saw something and it was skin cancer?
Okay. Who was the one who had something on his chest?
There's a guy on HGTV on his neck.
That's it. So this guy has cancer
It's happened before. And there are people diagnosing what they hear in the social media lines. One of these things.
Oh, that's a cancer snore.
Could save his or her life.
No, it's not. You know, when my aunt had cancer, this is what she sounded like. Come on.
That is a deep sleep.
Yes, people fall into deep sleeps. I'm sure I don't sound a whole lot more pleasant. By the way, Diane, you fall into sleep in a chair sitting next to me. This could be you. Wait, what, Kaylee? I don't snore. I breathe heavy.
No, Kaylee's in a bad mood because he also has now slept through The Killer.
Line 5. Hi, Elliot in the morning. Hello?
Hey, can you hear me?
Yeah, I got you.
Hey, how's it going? So I grew up. I had 3 brothers that were and we were part of a Mormon.
Say that part again. You got to kind of talk between the breaths.
All right, I got it. So we were part of a Mormon troop, the Mormon Church.
But wait, but that's completely different than Boy Scouts, though.
No, so the Mormon Church. You were talking about sponsors earlier,
right?
Sponsor 37% of the troops. 37%.
37% of Boy Scout troops go through the Mormon Church?
Correct.
Oh, I had no idea. But now, I would guess that the Mormon Church would not sponsor, or would not be open to the idea of having girls join the troop.
Well, I would have when I was a kid.
Yeah, of course. Yeah, because you're walking around with a little Woody the whole time.
Correct.
Exactly. Hello.
But no, the church wouldn't have. And I don't know if you've heard the recent controversy too. The Boy Scouts are starting to let gays in scouting.
Yeah, right.
So the has said that Scouts 14.
Hold on one second. I'm hearing other noises. I just got to hear what that is. Hold on, Mormon. All right, I'm sorry. Back to you. Go ahead, Church.
Okay, so basically, the Mormon Church now is pulling boys 14 and above out of Scouts, which is a huge thing. So if you look at the statistics, Mormon Church is sponsoring over a third of the troops.
Right.
So they're basically pulling their older Scouts out of it. So eventually they're going to pull all of them out of it.
Right. Well, that's why I'm pulling all the younger ones in. I'm getting them in from an early age in the Girl Scouts. That's why I'm pulling them in. I'm poaching.
Which exactly is going to pull the Mormon Church even more out, which is going to make the demise of the whole Boy Scout thing even more.
Hey, can I ask you something? Are you familiar with Mosaic?
Mosaic, no.
Oh, because I didn't know if that was like a splinter off of the Mormon Church. No big deal. I appreciate it. Thank you, my friend.
No worries. Yep.
Later, dude. All right, hold on. Where am I going? Wait, is he still there? Did I lose him?
A lot of people.
He's not.
Well, no. Would like you to stop saying he. A lot of people think it is a woman.
Okay, I don't know what it is. I'm just saying he. I'm just saying it's all. I had to assign something to it. I can't just keep calling it the snorer.
Why not? This is like The Watcher. But it's the snorer. And everyone wondered if The Watcher was a bit.
What the hell is that?
I made that sound earlier today. That gets me back to brownies. Hold on, line 8. All right, now I've moved away.
Fear-based drink.
Hi, Elliot, in the morning.
Morning, Elliot. Morning, class.
Hey, who's this?
Hey, we'll say Jake.
Okay.
So, I also thought it may have been snoring at first, but honestly, I am convinced that is a Samsung wireless phone charger, because mine makes the exact same sound.
No way! It just grumbled and it makes a whistle. Like there's halfway through it, there's a nose whistle. How is that a phone charger?
Hearing that grumble, yeah, you might be right now, but earlier I could have sworn that as a wireless phone charger, so I make the exact same noise.
And with Samsung's history of battery problems, you haven't turned that in to get fixed?
Yeah, I'm not buying that. That I'm not buying. Oh, wait, I'm back to groaning. All right, sir, I appreciate it. Thank you, my friend. Thank you.
No problem. You have a good day. Throw my face.
Smell it good.
Yeah.
Line 6. Hi, Elliot, in the morning. Yeah, you got to talk in between the breaths.
Hello?
Yeah, got you loud and clear.
Hi, okay. You were asking to speak to an EMT?
Yeah, I got everybody up my ass. This guy's sleeping. Everybody thinks that I need to get an EMT for a welfare check.
Well, like I said, like the woman said earlier, he may have a little bit of sleep apnea going on, but I don't think it's anything serious.
Yeah, I don't either. I am hearing a little bit of apnea. You know what? We could all probably stand to lose 5 to 10. Right?
Trust me.
Yeah, exactly.
Exactly. Yeah, there's no problem there.
No, I think he's fine. He's just, like she said, a little bit of sleep apnea.
Okay, now it's a bit. Come on.
This is part of Dare Wars. Trademarked.
Nobody sleeps like that. Yes, Kaylee, sometimes I make noise when I sleep. All right, so EMT, there's no reason for a welfare check.
I don't think so.
Right. Hey, is there a certain sound? Somebody said it sounds like he OD'd. Is there a certain sound that goes with that?
Okay, I'm sorry. Could you repeat that? I couldn't hear what you were saying.
Yeah, I know, because he's snorting there. Somebody said it sounds like somebody who OD'd, but first of all, I don't know what that sounds like, but to me it just sounds like somebody heard the new Foo Fighter song and dozed out.
When somebody ODs, their breathing is it's more shallow.
Oh, okay. This is not shallow.
No, it's not. It's not shallow at all. But when somebody ODs, their breathing is shallow.
Right.
And you can definitely tell the difference.
All right, good. Yeah, that makes me feel better. Also, can you diagnose cancer the way somebody breathes? No, you can't.
No.
All right. Elliot, sounds like they're farting too. That could be. The EMT would tell you, yeah, the body relaxes, right?
Elliot farts all the time when he sleeps.
The first fart of the morning is always the best. All right, very good. I appreciate it. Thank you, doctor.
You're welcome.
You got it. We'll talk to you later. Elliot, play some EDM to wake him up. But he won't hear it. Well, no, because I don't hear the rate. He'll hear it. I'll send it down the line. Yeah, why not? Hello? Well, I feel bad. I got... All right, EDM it is. Oh, and it's Diane's family. What is it, Zomboy? in the morning.
Hello, good morning, Elliot. How are you?
Good. Got to talk between the breaths.
Okay, that's cool. I've been an EMT for like 21 years, and first time caller, and I just wanted to tell you that almost sounds like someone who's having like a diabetic coma.
Okay, come on. Get out of here.
I like the people who think that somebody put their phone down next to their dog. The dog's sleeping.
All right, enjoy the rest of Zomboy. After that, I will have some news for you.
On the caller.
After that, absolutely. After that, your tickets to go see Grizzly Bear. Disconnected. How do you hang up?
It worked.
Zomboy saved the day.
It worked.
Well, dang it.
Now we should send an EMT over to check out his cancer.
You have to call him.
All right, quick break. We'll do some news next.